For today's video, we will be talking about how to add sound effects to jumping, dying, and collecting coins. We will also add background music to the game. To do this, we must first go to Window, then select Asset Store. But as you can see, since it was changed, we can just search for it in the browser. There is a category here for audio. All assets shown are audio files in the store that range from free to expensive ones. To search for the free ones easily, adjust the price slider to $0, then press the arrow, and then now you can only see the free audios in the page. I have already chosen two, which are the free casual game SFX and the 8-bit music. However, you can choose any that you like. Simply click Add to Assets, then Accept. Press Open in Unity and then open Unity Editor. The package manager will open, and from there, press Download to the assets and then click Import to add into your game files. In the Assets folder, you can see the 8-bit music and casual game SFX were imported. Click on any track to hear what sound effect they make. To add background music, first make an empty object and call it background music. Then add a component called audio source. We're going to then just drag the track that you want to the audio clip and make sure that Play on Awake and Loop is checked to play the sound as soon as the game starts, and it does it continuously. You can also adjust the volume by dragging the slider. I put it to 0.127. Make sure audio source is always checked. To add sound effects to the player's death, item collect, and jump, you have to click on player first. As you can see, I already added audio sources that I want to use for each event. To add the jump sound, you have to first edit the player movement script. I have added the serialized field for audio source and named it jump sound. In void jump, I put jump sound.play so that whenever the jump event occurs, the jump sound will be played. Next is to just drag the audio source to the jump sound serialized field that we made. Make sure Play on Awake and Loop is not checked because it only occurs when jump happens. Next is to add an item collect sound effect. First, open the item collector script. We are going to do the same thing for jump sound, but I renamed it into collect sound instead. Next is to just also drag the audio source to the serialized field of item collector. Finally, for the player death sound, open the player life script first. Again, just do the same thing as before but rename it into death sound. As this time, put it inside void die. Next is to drag the audio source again to the serialized field in player life. And again, make sure Play on Awake and Loop are not checked. Now, let's listen again while playing the game. Let us try to see what happens if you uncheck the audio source. As you can hear, The jump sound is not heard because of this. Always double check your components all the time to make sure everything is working properly. Now, let's test this out by using the background music. I have unchecked the audio source. As you can hear, no background music was played. Same goes with other components when it comes to double checking. Make sure that all proper assets are where they should be when dragging them to the serialized fields. Make sure that what you put in the sound serialized fields are the audio sources and not the audio assets themselves. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.